Okay, so this is a 2011 brand new Chevy Suburban with no miles on it. Client sent it in for a pretty big job. Basically, the job is going to consist of, it's beginning with, we're going to be stripping the entire interior, and we're going to be dynamatting it actually in several stages. So you can see we haven't removed the headliner or the rear carpet yet, but you can see that everything else is in fact out of the car. Door panels, floor air ducts, all kinds of side panels. We're even going to be doing something with the hood liner. We're going to be doing the Dynamat hood liner. We're trying to make the quietest Suburban on the planet. Not sure why. Anyway, so the next video you're going to see is going to be the actual vehicle stripped bare to the bone before we start to prepare it for the Dynamat. It's going to get Dynamat and Dynaliner.